Learn how to connect Python with SQL databases to streamline AI model training. Master data retrieval, manipulation, and preprocessing to enhance your data science projects. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that integrating Python with SQL can drastically improve your AI model training efficiency? Today, we'll explore how this powerful combination allows data scientists to streamline data retrieval and manipulation, setting up a seamless data pipeline. Stay with us as we dive into the essentials of connecting Python with SQL databases, optimizing your data workflows, and ultimately enhancing your AI projects.
Before we jump into integrating Python with SQL, it's crucial to set up the right tools. Python offers several libraries that facilitate SQL connectivity, such as Cloudchemy, PyMSQL, and scikit-2. To install these libraries, simply use pip commands in your terminal. For instance, type pip install Cloudchemy to get started. These libraries provide different functionalities, from basic SQL execution to advanced ORM features. If you encounter any errors during installation, ensure your Python environment is correctly configured and check for any version mismatches.
Once your libraries are ready, the next step is establishing a connection to your SQL database. Whether you're using MySQL, PostgreSQL, or any other SQL engine, you'll need a connection string. This string usually includes your database user, password, host, and database name. For instance, a PostgreSQL connection string might look like this: PostgreSQL : user password at localhost 5432 /mid-database. Always secure your credentials by using environment variables or configuration files. Test your connection with a simple query to ensure everything is working correctly before proceeding.
With your connection set up, it's time to execute some SQL queries. Python allows you to write and run SQL commands directly through your script. You can execute a select query to fetch data or an insert query to add new records. Use functions like execute and fetch all to run your queries and handle the results. Always optimize your queries for performance by indexing your tables and using efficient joins. To prevent SQL injection attacks, use parameterized queries or ORM methods that sanitize user inputs automatically.
After executing SQL queries, you'll want to bring your data into Python for further analysis and manipulation. Libraries like Pandas make this process seamless by allowing you to convert SQL query results into data frames. Data frames are powerful data structures that offer extensive data manipulation capabilities. You can sort, filter, and transform your data to suit your analytical needs. Ensure data integrity by performing checks and validations during processing, such as handling missing values and ensuring data types are consistent. Data preprocessing is a critical step in AI model training, often involving repetitive tasks. By automating these tasks with Python scripts, you can save time and reduce errors. Use libraries like schedule or system tools like cron jobs to run your scripts at specific intervals. Incorporate these automated scripts into your data pipeline to ensure a smooth flow from data retrieval to preprocessing. Always monitor your automation processes and maintain logs to quickly identify and resolve any issues that arise. With your data preprocessed and ready, the next step is to integrate it into your AI model training workflow. Ensure your data is in the right format and scale it appropriately for your chosen AI framework, such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Techniques like normalization and standardization can help improve model accuracy. When dealing with large datasets, consider using data generators or batch processing to manage memory efficiently. Always strive for balanced datasets to prevent bias in your models, ensuring robust and fair AI predictions.
To maximize the efficiency of your SQL queries, it's essential to adopt best practices for optimization. Start by understanding your query execution plans, which provide insights into how your database processes queries. Use indexes strategically to speed up data retrieval, especially for columns frequently used in where clauses. Optimize join operations by minimizing the number of tables involved and using appropriate join types. Simplify complex queries by breaking them down into subqueries or using views. Regularly monitor your query performance and make adjustments as needed to maintain optimal speed and efficiency. As we wrap up, let's recap the key benefits of integrating Python with SQL for AI model training. This powerful combination allows you to create efficient data pipelines, enhancing both the speed and accuracy of your AI models. We encourage you to apply these skills in your projects and share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next in the realm of data science and AI.